Today we'll show you how to quickly and easily set and modify the stop loss and take profit directly from the charts. Let's get right into it. Let's navigate directly to the chart window. To open the chart of any specific instrument, just click on the symbol name right here on the chart, and you can search for the particular instrument you wish to trade from the list available. For now, let's go with Euro USD. Once selected, you'll notice the option for quick buy and sell market trades with just one click, right here on the chart. Let's place a quick sell trade. Once you've done that, you'll see the order line displayed right on the chart. This order line is super handy. From here, you can share your trade, set advanced stop loss and take profit, reverse your position, double your position, or close the trade, all with just a click. Now, let's set a stop loss for this trade. Simply move your cursor to the SL option, then drag and drop the line to the desired stop loss price. You'll see a notification for the updated trade settings pop up in the top right corner. To set a take profit, it's the same process, just drag and drop the line to the desired take profit price. Just remember the basics, since this is a sell trade, the stop loss will be set above the current price, and the take profit will be set below it. If you need to modify the set stop loss or take profit, just drag these lines to the new prices as the market moves. And if you want to remove the stop loss or take profit, simply click on the cross icon, and it's done. And that's it. Setting and modifying the stop loss and take profit from the charts is as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.